Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the second strategy that you can use to find equivalent fractions, and that is going to be to draw equal-sized models. So drawing pictures to help us find equivalent fractions. So if we look at the three models below, it says shade the models to show two fractions that are equivalent to 3/4. Then write the fractions. So if they're equivalent, that means they've got to be the same size. So they've all got to be shaded to that point. So if I shade them quickly, shaded that one in green, I'm going to do this one in highlighter yellow. So now I've got them shaded. So now I've got to figure out my fraction. So remember, we've got our numerator, that top number. That's the shaded number. That's the number of squares or circles or whatever we're talking about that's shaded. And then I've got my denominator, which is the total number. So if I look here, my total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the number that's shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6/8 is equal to 3/4. If I look down here, my total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the number that's shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9/12 is equal to 6/8, which is also equal to 3/4. So number 5, it says use the models below to complete the sentences. The models show wholes and parts. There are 3 wholes, each divided into fourths. So each part is, well, if I look here, each part is, we've got 4 total sections. So it would be 1/4 of a whole. And there are how many fourths in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 12 fourths in all, which would be a total of 12 fourths. And 12/4 is equal to 3 wholes. And if I look here, this would be 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 3 wholes. So that's equal to 3 wholes there. Number 6, if we look at these models, write the fractions they represent. Well, this one, I've got 2 equal parts, and one of them is shaded, so that's equal to 1/2. In this fraction, I've got 4 equal parts, and 2 of them are shaded, so that's equal to 2/4. Are the fractions equivalent? Explain. So the answer here is yes, the models both have half the shape shaded. Which means they are both equal to 1/2. Because if you see, half of this box is shaded, and if you look here, half of this square is shaded. So since both of them have the same amount shaded, then yes, they are equivalent.